Today was very indecisive after I left my cousin at El Dorado Canyon. I literally did not know what I was going to do. Usually I have a general idea, but today, I don't know. I just didn't, just because of the area I was in. I was kind of in no man's land. I was either in areas that I didn't really care to see or areas that I already had seen, and everything that I wanted to see was like forever away. So today, it's a little bit different than most. So I think I'm just gonna kind of chill out here, figure out what to do. Oh my God, I had no idea what that was. So the dog belonged to a couple of people that were back there fishing. But I guess I mean, God, I have the camera pointed right at me. I can see what's in the camera, and I wasn't looking at it enough. And if that was I don't know, anything else, I probably wouldn't even be here posting this video. I guess I need to pay a bit more attention to what's going on. So yeah, especially since I'm in the middle of the freaking mountains. That was interesting. So anyway, I am going to park here, pay a bit more attention to what's going on, and send a GPS signal to let them know where I'm at least. So if something else comes up behind me and actually eats me, then at least they'll know where to find the bones. So that's it for now. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing tomorrow, but I'll figure that out then. So last night, as I crawled into bed, I realized that I needed cell service, and I had to leave my spot super early this morning to get cell service so I could check in for my flight, since it was on Southwest. So I had to find cell service, or I would have got stuck in middle seats. I would have been the last one on the plane for sure, and I probably would have been in middle seats for both flights. So because of that, I decided to get up super early, about, I don't know, 5:45. I wasn't sure how long I'd have to go for cell service, and start driving. And I woke up and there was frost all over the vehicle. But when I came over this one hill at about 9,000 feet, I saw this amazing view, so I had to stop and get some drone footage, which was freezing cold, and then find a place just right down the road from here and sit and wait and check in. So I did that. It's time well spent, believe me. But I saw this spot on the way and decided to come back and open up my hatch and enjoy the view. And yes, it is cold. I had the heat running inside the vehicle for a little bit while I changed, but I'd say I'd be surprised if it was even 40 degrees. But it's just too nice not to have the hatch open and have coffee to this. I don't know if I'm going to have time when I get back to really enjoy the Rockies. So it'll all depend on my schedule that I decide on when I'm back in North Carolina for a couple of days. But I did notice that I got really lucky, because I looked at the map for the Rocky National Park, where I was able to walk a couple of miles beyond where they had shut the road down. And right inside the park, I mean, it must be only a couple of miles, they already had another road shut down. So there was a huge section of road that you could drive, but towards the bottom there was, like, I don't know, a half a mile that they shut down, which means you can't access any of it. So I got super lucky in that I decided to, do that road when I did, because I was actually thinking about doing that again today since I'm so close again, but it doesn't look like that's going to be an option. So instead, and you can see it, the sky is clear blue. I have not seen that since I got here. I was just going to sit in one place all day, save some gas, and not, you know, feel like I got to push it and see things. But this is the only day I've seen like this, so I'm going to get in my vehicle in the driver's seat after I organize this thing, and I'm going to drive some paved roads. I'm not going to do anything like on dirt roads or anything like that, but I am going to drive some paved roads. I am going to take advantage of all the scenery. The overlooks are going to be awesome because other than maybe a haze, you're going to be able to see way further than I've been able to see since I've been here. So that is the plan today, and then I'll roll into Denver probably really late tonight. Park it where I'm going to end up parking this Jeep. Since I am kind of worried about leaving it, I am parking it in a secure location that I consider anyway, and you know, put everything inside, get everything all buttoned up, pack my bag because I'm going to take my camping bag as my carry-on since I don't have anything else. I don't have any other bags, so I'm going to have to stuff everything into my camping bag. But yeah, so it should be a beautiful day. I'm going to show you a picture out the side window here. I mean, it is just absolutely amazing blue. With snow-capped peaks all over the place and mountains. So that's it for the day. I'll probably show some footage along with this, but after today I am out until today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. I fly out and then I come back on Tuesday. Look how small the Colorado River is. I guess it's got to start somewhere. It starts 10 miles from here. And it's still just basically a stream. all this snow started falling, and behind me is this at 11,300 feet, and it is freezing out. And tomorrow at this time I'm going to be in 90-degree weather. Wow, everything changed so fast. Oh my god, the flakes are huge.